Hello and welcome to another one of Camp's Reviews. This time we're having a look at the Transformers Universe Classic Series Silverstreak, which is of course the renaming of the Blue Streak toy that came out in the 80s, which was one of the, I think it was the first lot of Autobots that came out or the second lot of Autobots that came out. So this was the Silverstreak figure here, Universe figure. Look, it was a pretty good figure. The only issue I ever really had with it is, whoops, that. These joints, which is say, if you apply too much pressure and they come off. This Silverstreak figure, his doors were basically coming off straight out of the box, without any real pressure, which is a bit of a bummer, but I have found that with a lot of the joints on the Transformer toys of that sort of joint, so I'm pretty used to that by now. Outside of that, it is actually a pretty good figure. I do like the way they did this Silverstreak, and I like the way they did the doors, his head popping out, and his weapons. As you can see, he's got his shoulder guns there, and his main weapon there. I'll just transform him into a car and show you what that looks like. Okay, and this is the car for Silverstreak. As you can see, quite a nice car there that they got for him. I've had to do a little bit of repainting on the side. Some of that can come off, but still a pretty good figure. And as you can see underneath, gun does stall in there nicely. Does have a tendency to fall out though, so you do have to be careful of it. But quite a nice figure. I'd probably give it around 7 out of 10. Some of the reasons for that is it actually has a lot of steps in the transforming process, unlike today's figures where they've only got 7 or 9. You know, I like the transforming process. I don't like the ones which are automatic transforming. That's pretty poor in my opinion on the way that they're doing them at the moment. Outside of that, like I say, a great figure, probably about 7 out of 10. Probably just because I don't like those joints that they were using with these figures at the time. I think that they were well thought through, but they probably didn't achieve what they wanted to with those joints. I'll have a stop motion video of this Transformer to show how he transforms up sometime this week as well. Thank you.